today we will make baked chicken with cheese, and the ingredients are, we have 2 chicken breasts here and we have given them slice cuts here so that they can hold the spices well and we can marinate it properly. And here are our spices. We have 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1/3 tablespoon of chili flakes, salt as per taste, salt is here also, and here is red chili powder, half tablespoon. You can use it or not use it, it depends on how spicy you want your chicken to be. And this is 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and this is 1/3 cup of olive oil, and we will add lot of mozzarella cheese to our chicken. So let's start making the marinade mixture for our chicken. First we will take this oil and now put all the spices in the oil. And now mix all these spices with the oil properly. Now we will put our chicken into the spice mix. You can also use butter instead of olive oil. So you can use around 3/4 of cup of butter for marinating instead of olive oil. So we will give this chicken a nice roll into this spice mix so that it is like well soaked in all the spices and the oil. Now as you can see, the chicken is well marinated with the spices and the oil, and we will keep it in the refrigerator for around 15 minutes so that the chicken soaks, absorb the spices well. Now our oven is ready. It is at 375 degrees for baking, and we will now put our chicken into the oven. So here is our chicken, and we will put it into the baking tray. Now we have put the chicken onto the baking tray, and now we will just put it in the oven and bake it for 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes our chicken is like this. We will first flip it over, both the chicken breasts. See how beautiful they look. And now we will add a lot of cheese over it. This is mozzarella cheese. I think this is enough. Now we will keep it back into the oven for 10 minutes, and the temperature is same, 375 degrees. So this is how our chicken looks after 10 minutes. So here is our baked chicken with cheese ready, and you can season it with some Italian seasoning or oregano, and it is ready to eat now. So please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.